Find me a sports fan who doesn't love the month of April. MLB, NHL, March Madness, NBA playoffs. Nothing but sports all day, every day. So kick back, grab a remote, and relax.
Wait a second. Is this video games?
COVID-19 has successfully hijacked society as we once knew it just 2 short months ago. March Madness, canceled. MLB, on hold. NBA playoffs, unlikely. And in their place, esports.
It's kind of cool to see that video games are, kind of getting their time in the spotlight right now.
Video gaming is indeed in the spotlight, as viewership on the website known as Twitch, the go-to website for game streamers, is estimated to be up 31% in March alone. In addition, major sports channels such as Fox Sports 1 and ESPN, the self-proclaimed worldwide leader in sports coverage, have featured a heavy amount of exclusive esports content over recent weeks. In fact, ESPN has gone as far as to hold a virtual tournament on the game NBA 2K20, where the virtual teams are controlled by real-life NBA players.
Obviously, now you have all these pro athletes. They're not out there, practicing. They can't do anything, and they're doing the same thing, anybody else would do when they go home. They're playing video games.
As esports tries its best to capitalize on this unexpected new market, only time will tell if esports can cement its place among other professional sports. Reporting live from my apartment in Iowa City, Robert Donaldson, DITV News.